Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I have a huge box. It is 22 by 18 by 18. It is a huge box of, I believe it's board games. I got it from Greg, Rocky Mountain Resales. He called me up and said, hey, you be interested in some board games that I have sitting around? I'm like, why not? I'll give it a shot. Might as well. I was talking about how I wanted to change things up. I just did a lot of Funko Pops, so I listed about 50 Funko Pops. So I'm changing things up. Of course, I'm still listing plush every day. That'll never stop. That's my passion. So yeah, I know I'm crazy. But anyways, before I get into this box, I wanted to talk about, I know a lot of people are struggling during the summer slowdown and everything else. And I wanted to get your opinion on, I was trying to figure out how to help people and get their like stores out there. And I was thinking of, I have the Buy Me a Plush down there. When you guys click on it, you buy me a plush, and then I do a Goodwill unboxing. And I was thinking that when people do the buy me a plush, if they put their like eBay store or whatever they have, like a Poshmark closet or whatever it is, Mercury. I don't know why I said Mercury. But anyways, that I would go and advertise it. I know I'm not a big YouTuber like RVA Flips or Rockstar or anything like that, but I do have a little bit of a following, and maybe I can help some people. I mean, it's only $5, so let me know what you think. I mean, I can put it on my Facebook group. I can put it in the video when I do the unboxing, and I'm just throwing it out there. See if you guys are interested. If you were to do the buy me a plush, it's only $5, and you'd get your store out there. Let me know if you're in the comments if you'd be interested, and then the next unboxing of the Goodwill blue boxes, I'll do it for you guys. I mean, anything will help. Hopefully we can support each other. Sales have been super slow, even for me. I'm listing a lot lately, and sales are still slow. I think I only have like 40 this weekend. I know it's a lot for most of you guys, but for me, 60 is my normal, so I'm still like 33% down. Anyways, enough jibber jabber. Let's get on with the unboxing. Yeah, I figured it would help a lot of stores if we can support each other, and I would put everybody's store down below in the comments or in the description. And of course, I would advertise it on my Facebook. Got a lot of paper. Alright, let's see what we got. First one. Oh, there's saran wrap on this too. Can't say Greg doesn't box this stuff well. Alright, let's see what we got. First one is World at War. Don't ask me what these go for. I've never had them. Never sold them. So it's not like plush where I can just rattle off what I think it's going to sell for. I have no idea. I have never done board games other than the sealed ones that I got at GameStop. So yeah, your guess is as good as mine. I'm sure a lot more people know way more about these. This is Summer Lightning Invasion of Poland. I don't even know what these things are. Lock and Load in Defeat Defiance. Yeah, I am always up to trying something new. I don't care. Whoa, this one's super heavy. Let me get this plastic off of here. There we go. This is Mark H. Walker's. It's like, oops, upside down. You can see it's Lock and Load Band of Heroes. I've never heard of this stuff. Anybody know what any of these guys are? Let me know. I mean, I'm going to look them up anyhow, but any professionals I'd like to hear. Oh, let me just show you through the plastic. This plastic, it's gonna take a while to get all this plastic off. This is Lock and Load Heroes of Blitzkrieg. Hey, it's weird. I'm used to like the anime games and stuff like that. Oh, we have a puzzle. I know what puzzles are. This is Darlene Kulig, Outside Vienna. If that's Outside Vienna, Vienna's messed up. Was that that don't look normal. That's kind of like Alice in Wonderland. We gotta go rescue Vienna if that's the way it looks like there. We have box damage. This is Nations at War, Desert Heat. A little bit damaged right there. Looks like the dice is trying to sneak out. I don't know if they did it or it was damaged before he sent it. Whatever. He knows I don't care. I'm just looking to sell things and make some decent profit. But these are all completely foreign to me. He told me some of them that were coming, but I'm like, just send them. I don't care. I know I'll make some money off of them. Eventually, they might take a long time to sell. Especially with the pandemic being over, it's like, a lot of people are actually going outside. I'm not, because it's freaking 111 today. I am not going outside. I'm not getting close to going outside. I think I got sunburned just freaking looking outside. I'll stay home, thank you. We got Operation Garbo and Paris is Burning. I'm going to be listing these, so if anybody's interested in these, feel free to go to my website. My website's or my eBay store is linked down below if you're interested in these guys. Oh, this one's super heavy. This is like 3 pounds. This is World at War, American Conquerors. Yeah, this is all foreign to me. I got a bunch of these. Let's go flipping through these real fast. That War, it has like these little like cutout things. I guess that's how the game is played. There's a bunch of these right there. I guess these are like new without box. Is there? Cool. Whatever. But yeah, if you guys are interested in me advertising your store, let me know. I will get on it. I will do unboxing of the Goodwill blue boxes. I'll go buy some and we'll just do it that way. Or if you have a different idea of how I can show off your store, I don't want to just put it out there and then have like 1,000 people that really don't care. I'm just saying, hey, I'll give them my store name just for the heck of it. So I don't want to do that. I'd rather do something like the Buy Me a Plush and just do something low like $5. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to help people in the summer slowdown, because it is pretty slow right now. Some of the clothes people are doing pretty good, but the game people and the plush people are they're not doing as well. These are owner's manuals. I'll flip through these real fast. Cool. What else we have left? We have another World at War Eisenbach Gap Deluxe. Anybody? I have never heard of these games at all. This is Flintlock, Black Powder, Cold Steel, Carolina Rebels. I mean, I'm sure if I sell like one or two of these, I'll get my money back, but don't know what they are. What else? I'm trying to get it out of the box. It is stuck. Come on. This is White Star Rising, Nation at War. They're all about the same like design. I guess this is like the same. I don't know. They're all like the different version of the game, or are these different updates from the game? Because they're all like the same. You can see the same punch outs, and I don't know. I guess when I look it up, I'll find out. Holy cow, this one's huge. This last one is the monster. This one really looks cool, though. It's almost like World of Warcraft. This is Larry Bogucki's War Party. I know I just butchered the heck out of that name. This game. I'm trying to get it without the glare. It's not working if it were for me. But yeah, that is the last one. This one's sealed, so that's cool. Weighs a good, I'm guessing like 10 pounds? It's a huge one. And here's the box. You can see how big the box was. Let me just get rid of it. Ooh. It's dusty. It was been outside for a few days. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. It's something new. I've never done games like this, so hopefully I can make some money. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fodder around. Get all your listings up. I gotta list some games that I don't know what they are. Take care, guys. Bye.